ox. Little box.
No, not box.
Ox. Book.
Book.
What is? Who's gonna send us a book?
Well, read the sentence again. What does it say? Read this again.
Nana and Pa. What's this again?
Spell it out.
Nana and Pa
Are
and send
sending
you. We are sending you back a little book. Isn't it impossible? That's it. Okay. Good. It's all
called mag
magazine.
Oh, how cool.
Magazine. We hope you and Gage will like it. It has
Pictures. Good job. Hold on, I'm letting Mel read this.
Stickers.
No, not stickers. Stories.
Stories. I love stories.
Maybe
you and Gage will little
like
it. It has pictures. Was there a package in the mail?
No.
And Gage will like it.
What does this say? Maybe?
No, I'm not reading that again.
Oh, I don't think you read that part.
No, I didn't. I did.
Oh, I didn't hear you say maybe you can
read a story to Gage.
Cool.
What does it say?
It says, okay.
Okay, Pa.
Pa needs
to go and
plant. Good job.
To Gage.
No, we missed the sentence.
Plant figs.
Yeah. Trees.
Fig trees. I love figs.
You do?
Think. Have a nice day. Love, Nana and Pa.
Wow. So what's Pa doing? What's he sending you?
He's sending us a magazine.
Pretty cool.
He hopes that I can read the Gage.
What do you think?
Good.